Today we're going to use a sample company on QuickBooks Online called Craig's Design and Landscaping Services. So let's go ahead and run the report that is going to help us calculate the revenue reduction in 2020 when compared to the same quarter in 2019. What we'll do is hover over Reports or click on Reports. You'll notice that there's a favorite section where there's three reports: accounts receivable, agent summary, the balance sheet, and the profit and loss. Normally, I like to review the profit and loss, but today, since we need the information by quarters, let's go ahead and click on the quarterly profit and loss report. It defaults to this year to date. One thing I like to do is I like to click on that hamburger icon to hide that left menu bar. It gives us more space to view the report that we want to look at. Let's go ahead and go to the report period. We're going to click on last year. You'll notice that the display columns is by quarter. We're going to compare the quarters in the current period of 2020, and I'm interested in the percentage change. You can also choose the dollar change, but for the purposes of the PPP application, we're going to use the percentage. You can choose your accounting method, either cash or accrual, and click on Run Report. You'll notice that it pulls the quarterly profit and loss summary, January through December 2020. Another tip that would like to review with you is to collapse the sub-accounts. This report has several sub-accounts, like under job materials, it has a few, and under, I believe it's sales of product income, it does as well. But I like to hide it. It makes the profit and loss report that much easier to review. As you can scroll to the left and right, you'll notice that it is showing us the performance of the company by quarter, and the last column is the year. So let's go ahead and review each quarter to see if there is any one quarter that has had a reduction. You'll see that I'm highlighting January through March of 2019. There was a total income of $18,122.76, and it actually increased to $19,844.65. So it increased by 9.5%. So let's go ahead and look at the second quarter, which is April through June of 2019. You'll notice that revenues decreased by 3.07%. In July through September, which is the third quarter, that revenues were $10,120.56, when in the same quarter in 2019 it was $20,870.16. That is a change of negative 51.51%. So you could use that quarter to fill out your application. October through December of 2020 also had a decrease of negative 75.63%. And the total overall for the year, the revenues decreased 31.94%. There are several things that you can do as far as exporting this report. You can either click on the email icon, and what that does, it can actually just email the report either to your bank or to your CPA, whoever's assisting you with the application. It'll open up the email dialog box. You can change the orientation from portrait to landscape, since there's a lot of columns, and you'll see they all fit on that one page. You can also click on Save as PDF right from that same dialog box, or you can click on the print icon. And again, you can change the orientation. You can click on print. You also have the option of exporting this report to Excel or to PDF. So there's a few different ways to do it. You can save this report as save the customization. You can change the report name if you like and just click Save. And that way, if you ever X out or get out of this report, you don't have to go through all the steps that we went through, because you already saved it as a custom report. You just click on it and it pulls the same report, and that's pretty easy. And that is a brief overview of how to run the quarterly profit and loss summary in QuickBooks to compare your revenue for 2020, each quarter in 2020, compared to the same quarter in 2019. If you have any questions or need more information, please contact me on either email at gaddy@probooksfinancial.com. If you need a copy of the PPP loan application, go visit our website, probooksfinancial.com. That's probooksfinancial.com. We have the application on there ready for you, and the instructions are there as well. You can also reach me on our business phone at 432-242-1295. I am a certified QuickBooks Pro advisor as well. If you have any QuickBooks questions, maybe you need help with this report, or maybe you use a QuickBooks desktop. If you have any questions, please reach out to us. We're here to help you. If you have any additional questions about the Paycheck Protection Program Round 2, please check out our other video where I do go over some of the key updates in that program. Once again, thank you for joining us. Please click subscribe. Please share this video if it's been informative, if it's helped you out. I hope that this loan process goes smoothly for you. If you need any help, please reach out to ProBooks. Thank you and have a great day.